ये कोबी ओके ओमो
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
A very good morning to all. On behalf of KTADC, I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected honorable MPs and each one of you present here. Namaste, Kulunka. In exercise of the powers conferred by the KTADC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue orders for due constitution of the newly elected district council, and in accordance with Rule 166(1), Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura is hereby authorized to administer the call for affirmation to the newly elected members of the district council. I would like to request Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law and Government of Tripura to initiate the process of administering the oath or affirmation to the newly elected honorable members of the district council. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected honorable members to come on the stage one by one for taking oath or affirmation to the Constitution of India. First, I call upon Sri Bhavaranjan Riyam, 1 Damchara Jampui STC.
अनोखा
Ang Mutang Bhavaranjan Riyam, KTADC atau dengan member sekretariat Subagrani Mumbai, Ismail Kamu, dia ini tapi mengpakai bangun pakai India di Constitution ni dia ain studi kami putih dia pakai ini kabai dia kamu mengenai di bagian hati.
Now, Now I call upon Srimati Manju Rani Sarkar to march mark. As she is absent, now I call upon Sri Shailendra Nath, Sri Dasda Kanchanpur. Now I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Fort Karmachara ST. Now I call upon Sri Ismail Joy Tripura, Five Chamano. Now I call upon Sri Hollywood Chakma, 6 Manu Chalenka.
Okay.
Now I call upon Sri Dhiran Burma, 7 Janchara Kachuchara.
Ang Mekang Direktur Departemen Different Private Area Otonomas District Council ni Atong Unggui Tongkat Maya Bulu Kaitoni Unggui Sumai tangui sado kurakti koi toke nargui. Sumai tangui sado barot elembak ni disingti kada kerongno koi to kubui. Orok komoi ang wajagoi kongmani samungno abai kubai tangai.
Now I call upon Sri Katrachoryan, 8 Ganganagar, Gandachara.
Out, out. Hari, please look at it. Come on.
Ang Mutang Sampradirian, Tripura Tribal Areas Namat District Council, ni kehar tui pangkiye, tungyok paimon yok wo. Ishono duai laye smai tang ye satawo, abono se krok kiye, aur ye smai tang satawo, parot hakko bai, snam tungyok mo, pa kerong rai darau no, mukha bai, hak ye. Mukhrong bom jaya ani satawo pau tiyong mo samurong no ang abai kubai ke tangai. Now I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashrambari.
Out.
Muchang Prashmit Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Namat District Council Ada Mungui, Chonggamani Yabulo, Mahaduri Mungui, Sumai Tangui Satawo, Garakhe Putu Nargui, Sumai Tangui Satawo, Barokni Elembaki, Singkui, Hajar Kerangno, Putu Kubui, Horok Komui, Ano Bokzagui, Tongmani Samungno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Hambai. Now, I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Tulari Chandra.
Markale.
Mutang Rajeshwar Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Namat District Council, adong ungai tongjak ma yahalo kaitonis semai tangi sadao gerake putu naragi semai tangi sadao baro nyambaki singkui hadak kerangno putu ubui barong bomui anu baktek ma tongmani samuno abai kubai tangan amat.
Ampun dong kas. Oi. Sian na bayan.
Now, I call upon Sri Utpat Verma, 11 Maharani Purtoliyama.
Masina. Okay.
Ang Muntah Department, the tribal area of Mohammed District Council, adong di Pangkat at Yakubo. Terakhir putu naragi maitani sakau. Orang elambat di sini hadak erano, kuitu kui. Orang omoi, anak kok tak panis kamu. Dok habai kubai kaknya.
Now, I call upon Sri James Verma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat.
I, myself, James Verma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adang Ungwi, Chongjakmaya Gula, Taikonis Sumai Tangi, Grakya Pertonaragi, Sumai Tangi Hazao, Para Elembakni, Bisimpu, Hazak Yarangla, Perto Kumui, Khorok Bumui, Ana Bakzagui, Tongmani Samuno, Kabai Kubai Tangai, Warga Johambai.
Kenal sini. Hah? Waduh itu.
Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra Verma, 13 Simna Kamakar.
Ada gaduh. Yang mungkin disiplin yang
Ang Musang Ravindra Verma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Council Adong Ongoi Tongjakma Yaguro Kaigoni Mongoi Samai Kandis Hao Paro Elambakni Isingkui Hadak Keramo Oito Hobui Korok Omui Ano Bokjagui Tongmani Hamuno Habai Kobai Anai. Now, I call upon Sri Runia Debarma, 14, Vichan Nagar, Bhakti Nagar.
I would thank Runia Debarma, the Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, Adong Mungi, Tongjakma Yagulo, Kaigoni Sumai Tangai, Sadao, Pirate Poito, Narakai Sumai Tangi Sadao, Paro, Elambagno Pisinti, Hazak Kerono, Poito Kupui, Orokomui, Amo Bokjaki, Tongmano Samuno, Habai Kupai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jagdish Debarma, 15, Zirania ST.
Bro.
Namaskar, Jagadish Jagor, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongjakma Yagulo, Ishmadni Munti Sumai Tangi, Sadao, Karate Puito Naragai, Sumai Tangi, Sadao, Bharo, Elambakni, Isinti, Hazak Keramo, Puito Kubui, Korok Omui, Ano Bokjagui Tongmani, Samuno, Habai Kobai, Tangai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Debarma, 16, Mandai Nagar, Kulinpur.
And Muslim the former, the tribal areas from District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongjakma Yagulo, Kaigoni Mungi Sumai Tangi Sadao, Karate Poito Naragai, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Paro Elambakni Isinti, Hazak Keramo, Puito Kubui, Korok Omui, Bokjagui, Tongmani Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Srimati Jita Debarma, 17, Pekwar Jala, Jannajo Nagar ST. Masakti kita terima. Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni ada wujud mengenai Chongdapani ya kalau kaituni mengenai berakit samai kami ada Barat Hakutuni Kilembak ni bisingtui Hajab Kerano Kuito Sawul Kubui Korok Bomai Ano Bongtamani Baca Tebas Kamungo Habai Kubaino Karna Josona.
Now, I call upon Sri Suraj Dutt Verma, 18 Katarzala Jampujala.
Macam Suraj Dutt Verma, Tripura Sab Bodo Pai, Bosa Angkor Kok Sab, Adon Ungle, Songdama Yak, Kaituni Bis Mai Bis Ado, Terakhir Koito Naragai Mai Bis Ado, Barat Elam Labi, Disinti Kata Kerongni Koito, Ubui Kok Moropai, Ano Kok Temani, Tongmani Sama, Sabai Ubai Kak.
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar Dutt Verma, 19 Amtali, Dolaghar.
Machan Buddha Kumar Dutt Verma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adon Ungle, Songchakma Yagulo, Kaituni Samai Tangle, Hazaro, Terakhir Koito Naragai Samai Tangle, Hazaro, Barat Elam Labi Bisingtui, Hajab Kerongno, Koito Kubui, Korok Bomai, Ano Bongtamani Tongmani Samungo, Habai Kubai Tangle. Belanya Hazaro.
Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20 Pillarapa.
Ang Podeton Betul ya. Di sini atau Maya Kolot, Tongda Maya Kolot Matai Kotor, Papa Korea ni Menggui, Semai Tangui Sadau, Barat Kotor ni Elembak, Kata Kerama Angkoto Payu, Di Ani Sakau Bangka Kodano, Kabai Kubai, Bakro Kongui Samuntanai, Amu.
Now, I call upon Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, 21, Maharani, Telangana.
I, Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Volunteer.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22, Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Musang David Mura Singh, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Samjat Adam Ungui Samjatma Yagulo Sini Mutairot Tay Bala Horicham Tay Kaitorni Sumai Tangui Sajau Gerakte Kutanaragui Sumai Tangi Sajau Barot Hakutorni Elam Baki Bisingkuri Khazak Kerongno Puito Kubui Korok Bomoi Ano Boksari Kongmani Samungno Khabai Kubai Tangai Jai Bhagwan Jai Prasad Jai Khansa Bharat Mata Ki Jai Jai Bhul Vande Mataram.
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kanai, 23, Ampi Nagar.
I, Sri Kamal Kanai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhananjay Tripura, 24, Rahima Vedi.
Musang Bahanga Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ने आदम हुए चंद्रमा यागलो काइटोनिस समाज कांग्रेस साधवो ग्रामीण कुलकुल नारगो समाज कांग्रेस साधवो भारत एलन बागने उसिते खाजानी खाजा केरंगा बुइतो दुबई पर बोंगो यानो बंजाबे कम्मनी सामुनो खाबाई दुबई कांगा
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbasi.
Sujoy Uchoy, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Pohatoi from Sayalaya Vishkoni Mumbai Soita Kawoi Boy Katu Mumbai Akan Karo Ye India Hami Roito Royan Tomodoi Maninai Ake Amje Tamna Kaitumi Abuna Hati Chuk Mumbai Samu Tamna Kata
Now, I call upon Sri Tenaram Riyang 26, Bir Chandra Nagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Debajit Tripura 27, Purba Mondipur, Buratali.
Musang Deputy Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Mungui Songsak Mayagolo Kaitani Mungui Samai Kangai Sazago Parot Elembak Dibisikte Haza Kerokno, Puichu Pupui, Korokoi, Ano, Bokzabui Company, Sabongno, Habai Kubai Katai.
Now, I call upon Sri Anjam Mom 28 Silachari Manubankul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the TTIDC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17.1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
Officials to the first meeting of the 9th TTADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected Englico Tomani. Jasmana Kasha Karune, Tini Official Chairman TTADC and Official Chief Executive Member elected Khajaria. বলবাগই পরবর্তী সময়ে তেরোশো সিটি কংগ্রে খাজাবি কতাল চেয়ারম্যান টাইম সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলবাগই গভর্নর ভাই FM খাজা প্রেসিডেন্ট অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব অবন সাগলাইনেন তবে তিনি চিফ এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিসার তিনি সময়খানি প্রোগ্রামে
नै दुईटाहरू नै हाम्रो